Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I want to make a really quick video for you for Canva, and I think it will be really helpful. So if you edit your own videos and you know that Canva has lots of new video options, but you don't know how to export files in such a way that it will have a transparent background, then this is for you. So I'm going to use a video like a random video, and then let's say you want to add something like subscribe or like link in bio, whatever the case may be, or maybe you find this really cute arrow on Canva and you would like to use that arrow. I'm going to show you how exactly you can do this. So let's say you're not using Canva for your video editing, right? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find a random video. Let's just select this one like this. So this is about 15 seconds. So I'm going to like fill up the space with it, and then I'm going to download this video. So this will be our like YouTube video that we're going to be using as an example. So let's give it a few seconds to download. Okay, so now that it's downloaded, I'm just going to save it as YouTube video to my desktop and we're good to go. So if you want to use any of the cute elements that you find on Canva, so if you're on Canva Pro, let's say you want to use an arrow like this inside of your video that you're editing somewhere, say Filmora, iMovie, this is what you do. So there's something called a green screen or like a chroma key, and this can help you download the videos easily. So okay, so for example, let's say that you have this really cute arrow that you found and you'd like to use it inside of one of your videos on your YouTube video. Maybe you want to use an arrow to say here's a link in the description, or let's say you have an element, let's say a box element, and you know you can select this to say animated elements only, so that the ones that are moving is what you see, and you see different kinds of elements that you can use. So let me research this to be a rectangle. Okay, so let's say you want to use this particular moving rectangle. Now you want to export this in such a way that you can overlay it on your video. So the first thing you need to do is you need a green screen, and in doing so you just need to change the background to what your green screen color will be. So I've already picked the green screen color, and let's just select this. So you select the background and then you type in your color here. So you see it has this really ugly green background, but just bear with me. So it looks like this right now, and all you have to do is to export the video as it is. Now when you download it, it will download it with the green in the background, but this is still okay because we will use it as what we're doing. So let's call this arrow to link in description box. Great, now we have this as our file. So the next thing that we're going to do is actually go into our video editing tool, and I'll show you how to remove this background so that you can use it in your video. Now that we have downloaded the file, let me show you what to do. So the first thing you want to do is to open whatever platform that you're currently going to use. So for as an example, I'm going to use Screenflow. So let me open my Screenflow. I'm just going to pretend that I am recording my screen. So Screenflow is what I use for all my screen recording videos. So I'm going to record a bit, then I'm going to say stop recording, and then it will show me the file. So I'm going to delete this part, and I'm going to import the file that I'm using. So this is the file that we made, arrow to link in description. I'm going to say enter, and then when you drag it here, you see that the file has the green everything. So let me adjust my canvas to these dimensions. This is what I use anytime I do my videos. So I'm going to fill this out, or even if you don't, what you need to do now is select the video, click on video, then if you go to video filters, you click here and select chroma key and click add, and you see immediately the background goes, because it immediately recognizes that the green is like a green screen. So if I play this, you see that it just has everything that you want. And if you want to crop, you can select cropping here, and then you can crop from the right or from the left. So I'm just going to crop from the left a bit, and you can also reduce the size of what you want here. So to show you an example of what it will look like, I'm going to import the video we initially downloaded from Canva, and I'm going to drag this onto the canvas. So if I do this, sorry, so I just need to move this up so that it's on top of it, and this is what the video will look like. So you see, we can just have that nice clean arrow, and it's all on, like it's all it's all there. And with this, you can move arrows, you can move any video you find, or any moving element that you find that you want to use inside of your YouTube videos. You can do this. So this happens in basically any platform that you use, but I thought it was really cool, so I wanted to show you guys how to do it. So if you don't use Screenflow, I'm going to show you how to do the exact same thing inside of Filmora. So for instance, let me open my Filmora. I'm going to click on new project, and I'm going to import both files that we are using, right? And once they are in, I can put this file here and then get the arrow file that we want. So now you see it has this ugly green color, and what we're going to do then is to, if you double tap on it, it automatically brings out these video options, and all you have to do is to select the chroma green screen, and you see that immediately it's automatic, it just knows. And let's see, you see the edges are not as clean as they could be, so you can adjust this to make this as sharp as possible. You can make the edges thicker or thinner, and then this gives you a bit more flexibility, gives you more tolerance over the colors. So you can adjust this, and then once you're done, you just click on OK. And if I play the video, you see that this is what it looks like. So that looks pretty bad, but I mean, a bit of adjustment, and I don't know, the one on Screenflow is more accurate and much cleaner, but it just gives you the basic idea, right? And you'll be able to get your video to basically be an overlay on top of what you're currently using. So that's how you can transfer small elements, and don't be shy to change the sizing. So this is sized like a normal video. On Canva, you can resize this to say Instagram post size, so that it fits into whatever you want, and you can make this like really small or really big, as much as you like, and then you can also adjust it inside of your video editing software. So I hope this helps, and I'll see you guys in the next video.